we shall discuss the poem Meeting by a Russian poet Marina Ivanovna Tsveteva. Okay, Marina Ivanovna Tsveteva. Okay, so this particular poem Meeting is about the despair and helplessness that are experienced by the poet in the cusp of change, when she is in a two diverse road kind of situation, about the changes that are happening, what she feels. And the particular situation that is mentioned here is the October Revolution that happened in Russia, when Russia strode into the 20th century after the October Revolution. That is the situation that she is mentioning, like how she is remembering about the kind of fairy tale life that she used to have before the imperialism, and what is the type of life that she has after the imperialism. That is what we see here. And she is being a chronicler of her life. She also expresses her despair, her exile, loneliness, ill health, etc. in this particular poem. So let us read this poem. Evening dimmed, like ourselves charmed with this first warmth of the spring. This spring season, there is the warmth of the spring, but evening dims, and the evening being dimmed shows the kind of attitude or the desolate feeling of this particular poet is being shown. Stirring alive, Arbat was alarmed. Her lane, Arbat was alarmed. With sympathetic tenderness, the kind gale touched with a tired wing. Even the wind gale approached in a very kind of tender way, a very sympathetic tender, but even the wind is described as with one with a tired wing. In our souls raised on a fairy tale, sorrow quietly cried for pastings. We are raised by a fairy kind of life, a fairy tale kind of life, but then now only sorrows are left with us, and we are crying, being nostalgic about the past things of the life that we had before. He came so unexpected, so hurriedly, he who helped in all things before. He came so unexpected, so hurriedly. Who is he here? He refers to Pasternak, the one whom was the particular poet who has been in correspondence with this writer. Okay, and far off in a line, unconsolably, the street lamps' radiant dots burned through light darkness some more. So this particular poet was one who used to help her, and then this meeting is a long awaited one, meeting with this person. But even this meeting is a kind of dampened. It is also a kind of that pulls her back from her life kind. And far off a line, unconsolably, the street lamps' radiant dots buried through light darkness some more. The street lamps are like radiant dots in the darkness. All around flowers were bought. We bought a bouquet. What for? We have flowers all around. We bought a bouquet. But what is it for? Whom we will give it, and what is the purpose of that bouquet? She is questioning. So there is irony about the representation of he and the representation of the street lamps, and also of the bouquet of the flowers. Quietly withered away, unseen garden in the sky, violet red. All these flowers, everything quietly hides hides in the sky that is violet red. Violet red means the sky is ready for the sunset, and it is growing very dark. How to be saved from late trouble, all returned. How can we save ourselves from the late trouble? All the troubles have returned for a moment, for long. Have all the troubles returned just for a moment or for longer time? We speechlessly looked at sun going to bed, and Gogol nodded thoughtful from the pedestal like a brother sad. So we speechlessly, we have no words, we are feeling so desolate, so desperate, and speechlessly we looked upon the sun going to the bed. We looked at the sunset, the sun going down the bed, and Gogol nodded thoughtful from the pedestal like a brother sad. Gogol is Nikolai Vasilievich Gogol, who is a dramatist and great satirist. he is known for his mental conflict, his mental crisis, his depressed mode, and a particular statue was there of him with a very depressed tone, of him with a bent posture and lowering his shoulder lane and with a tilt on his head. So that particular statue is being referred here and says that Gogol nodded. That particular statue even nodded upon the desolateness of their life, and that statue is also very thoughtful, and the statue looks like it looks very sad, as though it's a brother to the particular poet. The poet is also having that kind of feeling. The sad feeling gives the particular writer Mariana she is confused as to whether this trouble is lasting for a moment or for long, and then she is looking into the setting of the sun, and she is looking like how that particular statue even nodded at her, and how this particular statue is matching her desolate feelings, and then sounds like a brother to her, this particular statue, and even that statue is also sad. So I hope you understood this particular poem. It means like the kind of desolate feeling that the writer is having, helplessness, hopelessness, etc., that the writer is having at that particular moment, period of October Revolution. Thank you.